Hello, I am Mortgage Mark, and this video is extremely important and very detailed, so please pay close attention. Within the next day or so, you will be receiving an email from our closing disclosure team, and that will include the initial closing disclosure, aka the initial CD. This email is coming from someone outside of my team, but my team and I are still your points of contact. The email that is being sent will resemble the one that you received when we first started this process. In fact, it actually requires the same login and password that you created when you e-signed those disclosures. So please be sure to check your junk and spam folders because the initial CD email is very important and extremely time sensitive. This is me talking in all caps and all bolds. Can't make this any clearer. The parties on the loan, anybody, whether they're actually on the loan and sometimes even spouses, will need to sign this CD. It's e-sign, so it's just a couple clicks. The initial CD must be signed 3 business days before closing. Please note that Saturdays do count as business days in this case, but Sundays and federal holidays do not. For example, if someone wants to close on a Thursday, then the initial CD must be e-signed by midnight that Monday. Upon receipt of this initial CD, please review it in detail, but know that it is still a bunch of estimates and there's possibility of having some errors. My team and I don't always have the opportunity, they won't give them to us sometimes, to review them in detail before send. The disclosure team's job is to be compliant and send this stuff out as quick as they can. The last thing they want to do is mess a deadline so that you can't close. So when the CD does come out to you, review it and know that, again, you have to sign it in order to start that mandatory clock. The federal laws will not allow us to make an exception and close if you do not sign it. The final CD, meaning the one after this, it'll be perfect and to the penny. It'll have the same format, but it will be absolutely gold. It'll be what you sign at closing. So if you do find some errors or have some questions about this, shoot us a quick email outlining those. Chances are, my team and I have already addressed those and we're already in the process of fixing them with title or our closers. But again, just let us know and don't panic. I would like to reiterate how important it is for you to sign this. Again, the whole purpose of this video is to make sure you know to do that. If you have any questions about this, if you're not sure you have it or received it, call us and let us know. It's extremely important. Be on high alert. And the next step in this process is for you to watch our pre-closing video that's on the next page so that you know what to expect when going into closing. As always, we appreciate you and your time.